Thanks so much for staying with us for the weather report and forecast. Now, across the Caribbean this evening, we're monitoring several systems. We have a low-level jet stream, strong winds over the open waters of the basin. We do have winds in excess of 25 knots across the area, and because of these strong winds, we have quite a bit of the moisture that has been converging across the Caribbean being pushed into the western portion of the basin, so we can see an increase with a pile-up of clouds, showers and thunderstorms in the western Caribbean. We're also seeing the intertropical convergence zone flare up, pushing into the Caribbean, creating broad areas of clouds with some isolated showers. We also have a weak tropical wave that is expected to be drifting off into the Pacific region over the next couple of days. Now, the forecast for tonight, we're expecting fair skies across the island. The temperatures are dropping to 26 degrees Celsius in Kingston and to 25 degrees Celsius in Montego Bay. 5-knot winds on both coasts from the north and the south, and the winds are from the east on the north coast. Now, in the morning tomorrow, we expect partly cloudy conditions across most of the area. In the afternoon, it's partly cloudy to mostly cloudy across sections of the island. We expect temperatures to reach 34 degrees Celsius in Kingston, 33 degrees Celsius in Montego Bay. Now, the breakdown has it partly cloudy to mostly cloudy and windy across Kingston, Halfway Tree and Portmore tomorrow. Clouds lingering in the afternoon in Spanish Town, Maypen, Mandeville, Santa Cruz, Black River, Savannah, Lamar and Negril. Strong winds are likely in Lucy, Montego Bay and Falmouth. Partly cloudy and windy conditions persist as well for inland areas, especially sections of Brownstown and Moco, but we do have some isolated showers which are possible in Christiana and in Grange Hill. Now, on Thursday and Friday, we're expecting scattered showers and that's Friday and Saturday, we're expecting scattered showers and isolated thunderstorms. But on Thursday, that partly cloudy afternoon, that similar conditions are expected into Thursday. Now, the marine forecast. Expect 20-knot winds on the north coast from the east tomorrow, with wave heights between 1.5 and 2 meters. And then on the south coast tomorrow, the winds are expected to reach 25 knots from the east, so a small craft warning is in effect. Expect wave heights to be between 2 and 2.5 meters. And the warning extends into offshore areas for both the north and south coasts. Winds are reaching 25 knots, wave heights reach 2.5 meters. Expect the warning to continue through Thursday, but wind speeds drop to a maximum of 20 knots on Friday and Saturday. Sunset in Kingston tomorrow 6:37. Sunset at Negril Point is 6:43. That's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening. But we thank you so much for watching.